G'day trendsetters, how are you today? It's time to play What's in the Box. I have wanted one of these for quite some time, but never felt justified. But anyhow, I've gotten over that and I've ordered What's in the Box. So we will open her up. Hopefully. There's enough tape on here to sink a small ship. So it's going to take a bit of doing. Or I can be clever about it and just get this end open. A bit of luck. Oh, look at that. I had a few little presents along with the purchase, and this is Clone-X cutting. So that might be a little clue. Packaging tape. Bubbles. No, there's no easy way to do this. Right, that is a heat mat thermostat. So you know what's coming next. Heat mat. Woohoo! I got no idea how to get into it. Oh, there we go. It is. Gonna have to sit it out in the sun for a while. It's that big, and it will take 2 seedling trays. It has the thermostat, so I can set it at whatever temperature I want, and I will use it for raising seeds and raising cuttings. That's it. I did get it from